after holding that baby yesterday.
Yeah.
You still really like the little one.
David, you're so funny taking that with you. He's so funny, Sam.
What?
He's so funny taking that stick with him everywhere. Don't hit your brother.
You proud, Grace girl?
At least it's not a bush knife, right, boys?
Whoops! Mercy tumbled!
Oh, are we sharing like nice brothers should? Wouldn't that be lovely if we were just the sharing kind of kids, naturally? Are you going in circles, David? That's so fun! Oh my goodness! Yeah, well, I'm sorry it left. It's gone. You have to go find it if you want it. Oh, there it is. Go get it, Wilbur. Go get it. Oh, it's going. But don't worry, it can't get out because that door is locked.